Hi everybody, welcome to week 5 of your Read 180 reading and writing class. Everybody's been doing a great job so far, and I really appreciate all of your hard work and patience. All right, so first off for this week, you will have a journal quick write just like you always do. The first one here, and then the second journal quick write, if you look, the second one says 4 to 5 sentences instead of 3 to 5 sentences. We're kicking it up a notch. Also, you'll see that you have a 30 minutes of Read 180 app time. Log into Read 180 app on your iPad. Your username is your lunch number, no initials, and the password is lumberjacks1. Remember, it's the same way you log in as you did when we were here in class together. Notice I did not also give you a daily reading assignment like we normally do, where you have to read and then tell us about what you read. You guys have been working very hard over the last few weeks, so as a thank you for your hard work, I'm taking one of those assignments away for this week. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully you guys are doing okay and everybody's staying happy and healthy. If you need anything, give me a shout. Thank you.